crochet this cute applique, this time reindeer applique. Let's start. For the head, make a magic ring. And chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one double crochet. Make 12 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Close the ring. Here is the 3 chains I made at the beginning. The first chain is invisible, the second and the third. And this is my first double crochet. And this is top of my first double crochet. So at the top of my first double crochet, I insert my hook. Let the yarn stay at the back side. Insert the hook from the back side into the stitch, this way. And put the loop on the hook and pull it through this stitch. Round 1 is over. Round 2, chain 1. This is my first stitch that's in front of this chain 1 here. Make 1 single crochet into this stitch. Chain 1. This is a standing single crochet. Make 2 double crochet into next stitch. Make 2 double crochet into each stitch until you reach here. I'm at the end of the round, and here I have 23 double crochet. 2 double crochet in each stitch, and here I have 1 standing single crochet. This is considered as 1 double crochet. So I have 2 stitches in each stitch, but here I have 1. So I should add 1 more double crochet here, right here, that I've made my first standing single crochet. So I create my last double crochet right beside this first one here. Now I connect my work. This is my standing single crochet, and this is my first double crochet. On top of my first double crochet here, I join this part. So I skip this one above this one. Let the yarn stay back. Insert your hook from the back side. Put the loop and pull it through the stitch. Round 2 is done. Round 3, chain 1, make a single crochet into first stitch, chain 1. Then make 2 double crochet into each stitch, similar to previous round. 2 double crochet in each stitch. In previous round, we had 24 double crochet. At the end of this round, we will have 48 double crochet. I have 47 double crochet, and I'm creating my last double crochet, my 48th double crochet here, right next to the first standing single crochet. And 48. And now I join on top of my first double crochet. And for the last round, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You will have 48 single crochet at the end. Slip a stitch on top of first single crochet. For the muzzle, make a slip knot and chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip the first 3 chains. Hold the fourth chain and turn back. There are some bumps at the back of each stitch or chain. For example, this one here is a bump. These bumps are clear. Then skip the first 3 chains. In fourth chain, back bump, make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in each chain, back bump. In last one, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Turn. In back side, make 1 double crochet in first 4 stitch. This is my first stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 2 double crochet in last stitch. 1 and 2. Now join into top of the first double crochet. This is my first double crochet and its top. I'm joining it here. Chain 3. Make 2 double crochet into first stitch. 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Join with a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet and cut the yarn a bit longer to use it for sewing. For the ears, make a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first chain. Into the second chain, make a single crochet. Make a half double crochet into next one. Make a half double crochet into next one and make 3 double crochet into last one. 1, 2, 3. Now turn into back loops of the chains. Into first one, make a half double crochet. Here, half double crochet. Into next one, half double crochet. Into next one, single crochet. And into last one, single crochet. And slip a stitch into first stitch. This way. For the nose, make a magic ring. chain 1, and make 8 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Close the ring. Round 2, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. For the horn, make a slip knot and chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 11. Skip the first chain into the second chain, make a single crochet. Make it in single crochet in next 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 single crochet in total. Chain 5. Skip the first 2 chains into third chain, make 1 half double crochet. Single crochet in next chain and single crochet in next chain. Now going back to previous chains, make a single crochet in next one. It's like this. And another single crochet in next one. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the first 2 chains, half double crochet into third chain. Single crochet into next chain. And going back to first chains, make a single crochet in next chain. I have one more chain here. Make 1 single crochet inside. Chain 1 and slip a stitch into the same stitch. Okay, cut the yarn. For the other horn, make a slip knot and chain 11. Skip the first chain into the second chain, make a single crochet. Make another single crochet into next chain. Chain 4. Skip the first 2 chains. Make half double crochet into the third chain. Single crochet in next. Back to base chains. Make single crochet in first and another single crochet into next chain. Chain 5. Skip the first 2 chains into the third chain, half double crochet. Single crochet in next 2 chains. Back to base chains, make 1 single crochet into each chain. Cut the yarn. For the color, join your yarn in any stitch, back loop only. For example, here, chain 3, make 3 double crochet into this chain, back loop. 1, 2, 3. In next 6 or 7 stitches, back loop only, make 3 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, At the end, chain 3 and slip a stitch into the same stitch, back loop only, and cut the yarn. We made this cute reindeer applique together. Hope you like it. He's so cute, smiley. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to watch the other tutorials. Happy crochet!